and rifts among celebrities are normal. They get to meet people from different walks of life with different principles, hence, these things are normal, but what matters most is how they deal with it. Years ago,
Chi Filomeno ang naging statement ni Don Chang. Ito ay matapos siyang tanungin sa isang podcast patungkol sa di umano'y nakaaway nitong artista noon. Ano sa palagay mo?
You are